I was on my way to Hiroshima in Japan. I wanted to learn more about the history of Hiroshima. It's located in the southwest part of Japan.
Hello and welcome everybody to Hiroshima. It only took me about 2 hours to get here on the fast Shinkansen train from one of the bigger cities in Japan, Osaka.
Hiroshima is a modern city with 1.2 million people. It was completely destroyed in 1945 after World War II, but has since then been rebuilt.
On the 6th of August in 1945 at 8:15 in the morning, the world's first atomic bomb was dropped here by American troops.
During World War II, the Japanese had attacked an American military base in Pearl Harbor and killed 2,000 people. The Americans came back with a horrible revenge.
The whole city was immediately wiped out, but this building right here is one of the few buildings that somehow remained its shape.
90,000 people died in just a few minutes.
In the following weeks after the explosion, another 60,000 people died from radiation.
Today, Hiroshima has been totally rebuilt, but the atomic bomb dome is a tragic memory. The Peace Memorial Park is located on the other side of the bomb dome. The Peace Memorial Park in Hiroshima is full of iconic monuments. The past cannot be erased or changed. It can only be accepted by moving forward.
I've been walking around here in the Peace Memorial Park for about 1 hour. And even though this horrible event took place more than 70 years ago, you can still feel that there is something in the air here. Something is not ordinary.
Not far from the atomic bomb dome, you have the Hiroshima Castle.
I'm here now at the Hiroshima Castle in the middle of Hiroshima. And as you can see, most castles here in Japan have a flat stone wall and water around them, so people couldn't get into the castle. Here behind me you have the famous Gokoku Shrine in the middle of Hiroshima. You will see shrines like these all over Japan. They are associated with Shintoism and not Buddhism that a lot of people think. Here we have the famous Hiroshima Castle. It was built in the late 1500s but destroyed in 1945 from the atomic bombs. But the castle was rebuilt in the year 1958, a replica of the original castle. I just got out of a 30-minute train ride to the southwest part of Hiroshima, and now I'm here at the famous Itsukushima Island. This is where you want to go if you want to see the famous shrine.
The Itsukushima Island is located just 1 kilometer outside of the main land area. I took the 20-minute ferry over to the island, which is not only known for its famous shrine, but also for the deer.
Here at Miyajima, we have a lot of deers walking around everywhere, and they really like humans. I am here now at the Itsukushima Shrine, and it's one of the most famous shrines in all of Japan.
When the tide is high, the water covers the shrine and it looks like it's floating in the water.
This is the top of Mount Misen. It took about 2 hours to get up here, about 600 meters above ground. The view would be really nice, but it's too bad that it's raining. We are just now coming back from another 2-hour hike down the mountain. Before I finish this video, I would like to talk about why Americans attacked Hiroshima and killed 150,000 people. The Japanese had previously attacked Pearl Harbor and killed 2,000 people there. That's why the Americans came back and tried out the first atomic bomb ever.
The sun was going down over Hiroshima, a modern and peaceful city with tragic memories of the past, but an optimistic future.
Don't worry about the past, because it's gone. Don't worry about the future, because it's yet to come.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the icon in the down left corner. Thank you for watching.